Alright, so since we are plenty of videos on the internet showing how to disassemble the Road Glide fairing, I'm not going to show that. I did take a couple of pictures of the specific installation of the jumper on the front because my particular model has a couple of objects in the way that the other videos don't show. So I have pictures of that. So I walk around to the front. The other videos don't show this piece of hardware here. And what we need to see is that the jumper on this particular case is back here on a gray cable, and you pull off the cover for it and then just slide the jumper right in there, because you can't use this one because these keys are different on this plug than on this plug, and the jumper is meant for this plug so the keys prevent. Back around to the screen, turn the bike on, and the boombox loads as normal. All normal functionality. So now I already have a USB to Lightning cord plugged in over here. And I'm just going to plug in the phone. And once the phone is unlocked, it comes up and says CarPlay. On the first time I plugged it in, I got a little dialog box saying, "Do you want to allow?" I said yes, and then the phone did it. This time, because I've already done it, it's not going to ask me again. As you can see, there's now CarPlay on here, is all the normal functions. You can go back to your normal boombox interface. But apparently if you use that, you lose Apple Play. Oh, CarPlay button, never mind. Sorry, I've never seen it before, this is brand new. And you can pull up phone, favorites, maps, music, your main app source, and you're in.